Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2014 Volvo XC60. Changing the fog light is easy to do, as you only have to reach behind the bumper for access to the bulb assembly. The components of the spare tire are easily accessible in the rear of the vehicle. This keeps the tire and jack kit ready to go in case of emergency. Checking the oil level is no problem, as the oil dipstick is easily accessible in the engine bay. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. You will have to remove a large panel from under the vehicle for access to the oil drain plug. This will require you to use tools as you contend with gravity. Changing the front wiper blade will require you to follow complex steps to raise the blade. You will then need to use a tool in order to remove this blade. Checking the brake fluid level can be tough, as you will have to remove a cover in order to access the reservoir. A regular fluid check will be difficult to do. Overall, the 2014 Volvo XC60 is a relatively difficult vehicle to maintain when compared to other similar models.